Hello student, good morning all of you. Hope all of you are doing well. Myself Santosh Kumar, I am a biology teacher. Today I am going to teach an important chapter from class 11th, which is circulatory system. In human circulatory system, the most important organ is heart. As we know, heart is a pumping organ. It means it pumps blood in entire body parts. Heart is made up of cardiac muscle. This muscle is myogenic. It means auto-excitable. It controls its function by itself. And there is membrane over the heart which protects heart. That is pericardium. Human heart is made up of 4 chambers. 2 upper chamber is called auricle and 2 lower chambers are called ventricle. Next one, heart muscle is myogenic because it can control its function by itself. Next one, human heart is made up of 4 chambers. Here we can see 4 chambers of heart. There are 4 chambers in heart. Upper 2 are called auricles, lower 2 are called ventricles. Right atrium, this is right ventricle, another is left atrium, and this is left ventricle. There is septum which divides heart chambers. Septum that divides right atrium and left atrium is called interatrial septum, and the septum which divides left atrium and right atrium, left atrium and left ventricle is atrioventricular septum. Another one is the septum which divides ventricle is called interventricular septum. If we talk about size of the chambers of heart, then size of chambers of heart are in this order. Left ventricle is high in size. Another one, right ventricle, then right atrium, then left atrium. Now we will talk about which vessel carries blood toward heart. In heart there are 4 chambers, blood vessels that carries blood toward the heart. There are 3 blood vessels which carries blood toward heart from the entire part of body. When we see the right part of the heart, there is one vessel which is coming from the upper part of body, is superior vena cava. Another one coming from the heart vessel is coronary sinus. And from the lower part of the body, blood carries to the heart by inferior vena cava. If we say about the left atrium receives blood from 4 pulmonary veins. There are 4 chambers in heart in order to separate oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. Right chambers receives blood from inferior vena cava, coronary sinus and superior vena cava. After that it pumps blood into the right ventricle. And left ventricle receives blood from pulmonary vein and pump blood into the left ventricle. Another ones are the vessels which carry blood away from the heart. There are 4 chambers, right, left atrium, right ventricle and left ventricle. There are 2 blood vessels which carry blood away from the heart. First one is pulmonary artery. This carries blood from right ventricle to alveoli, where the deoxygenated blood gets oxygenated, and oxygenated blood from the left side pumped into the entire part of body through aorta. And there is septum and valves which control flow of blood in the heart. The right atrium, right ventricle, there is a valve of 3 flap. 3 flap valve is called tricuspid valve, and in the left side there is 2 flap valve which is called bicuspid valve. This control flow of upper chamber blood into the lower chamber. And next, the valve which control flow of blood from the ventricles to outside is called semilunar valves. These are blood vessels of heart. Human heart is 4 chambered in order to separate oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. Thank you.